What's going on, everyone? Hey, if you can't find your apps on Windows 11 and you're tired of digging through menus every time, this video is for you. In the next minute, I'll show you how to put any app directly on your desktop so you can open it with one click. Let's fix this. Alright, so as you can see, I don't have anything on my desktop right now. I just have the recycle bin here in the bottom right corner. But we're going to start adding some icons and shortcuts. So we're going to go to the start menu and click on start, and then you're going to go where it says all. Click there, and here you're going to have a big list of all the apps sorted from A to Z, and we're just going to go through this, and we're going to drag the apps that we need over to the left side. So I'm going to start with Firefox right here. This is the main browser that I use. So I'm going to click one time and just drag that to the left, just like that. And then go back and do the same for the next app. I'm going to go down. Here's Google Chrome. I use that sometimes. Click and drag. Okay. Let's do the next one. Here's Microsoft Edge, another web browser that I use sometimes. Click that and drag it over. And let's do two more. I like to use Calculator. So these are mainly just examples for you to see. Of course, you're going to drag the ones that you need most and the ones that you use. Here's Outlook email app. I'm going to drag this one down on the side. And you just keep doing this until you have all your favorite applications that you use, and with one click away, they're there and ready for you. Now let's say you want to put some folders over here instead of apps. What you want to do is open up File Explorer. So if you don't have it down here, you can go to Start menu, and sometimes there's a shortcut here, but if it's not, you can just type it in Explorer and then open it. And then here on the side you have also these important shortcuts like downloads, documents, pictures. I like to have a shortcut of my downloads. So you just simply click and drag it. It'll create a link or a shortcut. And there it is. And then let's say I want to do my documents. Just click, drag it over. And there's those folders there. And that's pretty much how you do it. I will put a video in the description below on how to create shortcuts for custom folders. That's a little bit different than what we did in this video. So you can go ahead and click the link in the description, and that's going to take you to that video. You cannot just simply drag a custom folder to the desktop. What that's going to do is it's going to move the entire folder but not create a shortcut, and it'll make the desktop space the main place where that folder lives. So for that one, it's just a little bit of a different process. I recommend you check that out first, and then you'll learn how to do it there. Now I will show you guys how to pin your shortcuts down here to the taskbar. In addition to having your regular desktop icons here, you can actually have shortcuts down here too if you use them very frequently. I highly recommend that. I'll leave a link in the description below to that video. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment below and I'll reply. And if you need help with something else related to the video or not, go ahead and ask in the comments, and then I'll be sure to reach out and help you out. Thanks for watching.